I'm going to ask, and I want you to think. What part of the brain is this? Cerebellum. Well, the white is called the arborvitae. You're correct. But what lobe? This is the cerebellum. If that's the cerebellum, then what line is right here?
The parietal occipital?
Nope.
Or occipital parietal?
Nope. What line separates the cerebellum from the cerebrum? Transverse fissure. So that's got to be the transverse fissure. What holes are these? They're the same as these two holes. Lateral what? Ventricles. Okay. There's some blood capillaries inside these ventricles. What's the name? Choroid plexus. Very good. You've got a line right here. Who is it?
Lateral?
Nope. Right here. Right. Longitudinal what? Fissure. You got it. Okay. There's a round structure right here. That's the pons. Let me think. Okay. You've got a little piece of thin skin separating these ventricles. Who is it?
Fornix? Is that right there?
Separates the two ventricles. And this is going on YouTube. I'm so embarrassed. Anybody? Anybody?
Relieve us of our agony.
No. I'm not going to tell you. It's going to be on your lab test.
So tell so we won't get it wrong.
Nope. 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 We'll come back to it. What's this white fuzzy stuff up top?
Dura mater.
Nope.
Arachnoid.
Fuzzy stuff.
Arachnoid.
Arachnoid. Okay, it's what hole is this over here? Lateral ventricle. What's this big C-shaped thing?
Corpus callosum.
Corpus callosum. If this is the cerebellum, what part of the brain is this?
Occipital.
If that's the occipital lobe, what lobe is this?
Frontal.
If that's the occipital lobe, what line is right there? Parieto-occipital.
Fissure.
Is it a fissure or sulcus?
Sulcus.
You better check it out. All right, then what lobe is up here? That's parietal. You see this line? This line is separating the frontal lobe from the parietal lobe. Who is it? Central sulcus. Very good. Okay, this round structure here is the same as this round structure here.
Pons.
That's the pons. Here's another piece of that thin skin separating the two ventricles.
Yeah. Fornix, right?
Nope. 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 Nope.
I got that one.
Nope. I heard it. Septum. Septum pellucidum. You got it. Thank you. Now, here's a tough one. You got a line coming in here and a line coming in there. Lateral. Nope. Sulcus. If that's the lateral sulcus, what lobe does this have to be? Temporal lobe. Eesh. Okay. Here we go. Let's go to this brain.
Am I in your way?
What line do we got here? Longitudinal fissure. What line do we got here? Transverse. What's this hole called?
Lateral ventricle.
Lateral ventricle. You got two bumps here. Who took my brain? You got two bumps here. Who's the bottom one?
Medulla.
Medulla. Who's the top one?
Pons.
That's the pons. Okay, who's this guy in the back over here? Cerebellum. Transverse fissure. There's a hole right there, which is the same as that hole right there.
Fourth ventricle.
Fourth ventricle. What's this tube going up top?
Aqueduct. Or cerebral.
Cerebral aqueduct. The brown dot right here on the brain. Intermediate mass of the thalamus. You can't see it too well, but it's actually right about here. Intermediate mass of the thalamus. This whitish structure up top here, which is the same as this whitish corpus callosum. Let's turn this over fast. This cranial nerve, olfactory. Cranial nerve here, optic. What's this first bump? Pons. Second bump. Medulla. What else? Line right here. Central sulcus. So what lobe is that?
Frontal.
So what lobe is this?
Parietal.
You guys are good. I've asked you almost everything I can ask you. I'll just put